Hello everyone, welcome to the new series on Angular TypeScript. In this series we will learn about the Angular 10. Angular was developed by the Google. Actually Angular JS and Angular TypeScript are the different framework. Usually people get confused between these two. Angular is based on TypeScript. Usually we call it Angular TypeScript or Angular with the version name like Angular 10 or like Angular 8, Angular 11. And the first version was Angular JS, which was totally different framework, and it was based on totally on JavaScript. So Google redesigned the Angular JS in the new format with the help of Angular TypeScript language, and that is known as Angular TypeScript, or usually we call it Angular only, right? So TypeScript is a primary language for Angular application development. It is superset of JavaScript with the design time support for safety and tooling. Safety and tooling means at the runtime we need the compiler which convert the TypeScript format into the JavaScript format so that it can be understand by browser. And when we will go in the further in this series, you will get proper difference. What are the proper difference? If someone is don't know about Angular JS, then it is better. I will say it is better because the both language does not have anything related to each other. Current stable version of Angular is Angular 11 when I'm recording this video. But we will cover this series with the Angular 10. Before installing the Angular in this system, we must have Node and NPM. Node is a runtime environment which execute the JavaScript queries right before so that running script on the server to render content before it is delivered to web browser. So it is responsible for all type of execution. And NPM is a repository. In full form of NPM like Node Package Manager. It is similar to the like in case of .NET we have the NuGet. Those guys who has worked in the .NET, they might know about the NuGet, from where we can download any required libraries or DLL, right? Similarly in the NPM, which is the application and repository for developing and sharing the JavaScript code or libraries. Before installing the Angular, these must be installed on the system. We can use these commands node -v, this command, to check whether this node is installed on the system or not. Similarly we can check for the NPM. If it is not installed, it is very easy to install these things. Just I will let you know how we can install it. Just open this link nodejs.org. Just type nodejs.org, press enter. It will open this framework web browser page. Just download a recommended version, or you can download the latest version. After downloading it, just install it. Once you install the node, NPM will be installed automatically with it because it comes with the node. After installing this one, only then we can install the Angular. Next step, after installing the node, actually you can find multiple videos to install node, but I have shown few steps. That is fine because it's not difficult to install node. And after installing the node, we can install the Angular. Actually Angular CLI means command line interface. We must install it in the system so that we can use all the commands provided by Angular. To install the Angular CLI, we have the simple command npm install -g @angular /CLI. So it will -g denote here global. It will install globally all the Angular CLI commands on your system. So after that you can use ng command everywhere in your drive at any level using the command line prompt, or you can use in the Visual Studio Code, because these are installed at the global location. And the global location is this one, which is given here. Under the user we have username, then app data, roaming, npm. So you might notice here npm path is there, so it is installing the Angular commands inside the npm folder. So that's why it is npm easily understanding all the commands of the Angular. I will show this path. See, I have already installed Angular, and I have installed the node, npm, everything. So npm is installed at this path, and if I will go here further, see, we can see Angular, and in the Angular folder we have the CLI, which is installed under the path of npm. This is just an introduction video on the Angular TypeScript 10 series. In the next video, we will see how we can create the Angular Hello World project, and after that we will see what is component, property binding, event binding, and the interpolation. So all the basic we will cover in this series. And guys, if you want to learn the Angular, please subscribe the channel and be with the video series. I have already uploaded the video series on Angular .NET with AWS, interview question answer on the SQL Server, then interview question answer on the JavaScript. You guys may check those videos as well, and please suggest your suggestions inside the comment box. Thank you everyone.